Well, hello, folks. It's Saturday morning. We're down at the lake today. Lots of ducks out here today. The water's low. Dropped. But it's still a beautiful day. Sun's overcast. The ducks are squawking. But it's a gorgeous day. It's about 66 degrees. A little breeze. And the snow and ice is really melting. We got puppy dogs out on the ice. The waters are real low this year. Usually that water's up to your waist. But hopefully you enjoy the sights of the beautiful lake. I know the ducks are having a time of their lives out there. Well, I got all the doggies out there running around. They come down to see their duck friends. All right, folks, have a good day. Happy Saturday to all.